In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little felt fortune Valentine. This is so super easy, takes just a minute or two, and it comes with a little message that you can include for your favorite person. And I'm going to show you how to do it. For this project, you're just going to need a pair of scissors, a little scrap piece of felt, a scrap piece of paper for your message. I just have a little scrap of origami paper here because I thought it matched really nicely, and some hot glue. Now, I'm going to plug my hot glue gun in first and let it kind of warm up. I have a little tinfoil placemat here to protect my surface, and I'm going to just put that aside and let it warm up. And we're going to prepare everything while that heats up. So all we're going to do is we're going to cut a square about 3 inches by 3 inches of our felt. Now I have some red here. I thought it was pretty festive for Valentine's. You can do any color you like. And the easiest way to cut a circle is to cut a square, however big you want your circle to be, and then just sort of knock off those corners and just shape it up into a circle. And that's a pretty quick way. If you want a perfect circle, you can grab a lid or some kind of cup or something you may have laying around, and you can trace it onto your felt. But I'm just going to sort of eye it up here, okay? And you can trim it as needed and get the perfect circle shape that you're after, okay? Now put your circle aside and you're going to grab your pen and you're going to cut a little strip of paper. Now I already cut one earlier, and this is just a small little strip to fit into our fortune. And then on the back, so I have origami paper and normally it's printed on one side and blank on the other. So I'm going to use the print side on one side, and I'm going to write on the blank side. So just write your little message on the back, and you can add little hearts on there or however you want to decorate. I have a red glitter pen that I'm using. You can use a fun pen if you like. And then we're going to assemble our fortune. So put this aside, let the ink dry so it doesn't smear. And you're going to take your circle and grab your hot glue gun. Now take your circle and you're going to fold it in half like this, and then just sort of peel this back a little bit because we're going to put a little glue blob at the top here. And you want to smear it in a little bit so it won't ooze out. And then just stick it on there. Not too much glue, just enough to kind of close it up. Then you're going to take your little message and you're going to tuck it in to the folded over area that you just did and just leave just a little bit. So if you had a cookie, like a fortune cookie, you would kind of break it open, but this can't be broken open. So you want to make a little tag, like a little tab here, so you can pull the message out because you're not going to be breaking it open. Then all you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half again with the message in there. And in these inner flaps here, you're going to just run your glue gun along this edge, just like that. And you're going to stick it together. And then you're going to let everything kind of cool and dry. And then once it's done drying and cool, then you have your little fortune message. And then the person that you give it to can just pull the message out and read it. And it's so cute. And this took just a minute to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. And be sure and click the subscribe button to get all the latest Sparkle and Splatter video updates. Happy crafting, everyone!